Being a content creator for 10 years, I have data from over 600 shoots. After 20 hard drives, 2 failed drives, and tons of research, I have finally learned how to store data correctly. Hi, I am Ridin Panchmatia from the Moneta, and I am going to talk about how I save my data because data is priceless. Until last year, all my data was stored on these hard drives and multiple cloud storage platforms. Even after paying tons of money on these drives and monthly subscription fees for the cloud storage, the problem was I could not store or organize my data efficiently. I could not search and access my data easily, and my data was not safe. With extensive usage, these hard drives over a period of time slow down and eventually failing and losing your data. The more you shoot, the more data you have, and the more drives you need, and the more unorganized your storage becomes. What's the solution? NAS, Network Attached Storage. These devices are single units connected to internet which saves all your data securely on enterprise grade hard drives which are engineered for servers which are heat resistant, anti-vibrations, which runs on higher RPMs, MTBF which is mean time between failure, or AFR which is annualized failure rate, which are much better than your external hard drives. To simplify, this is my NAS. It has all my data connected to internet accessible anywhere in the world at my fingertips. This is much easier, faster and efficient way to store and access your data. The advantages of using this are innumerable. For example, using Synology's Quick Connect, I can easily connect my NAS over internet with my personal ID and password on my computer, my tablet or my phone and access all my data anywhere in the world. Using Synology Drive, I can schedule automatic uploads of specific folders on my computer directly to my NAS. Or I can even schedule automatic backups of my entire computer like time machine backups directly to my NAS without having to connect external hard drives and manually triggering the backups every day. Snapshot replication, like the name suggests, will take snapshots of point-in-time copy stored in the same volume of the whole data status at any given time, and periodically sync replications and use only a small amount of storage space for you to recover snapshots if you modified or deleted files in the same volume. With Synology VM, I can create multiple virtual machines on my NAS and run different and experimental softwares in a sandbox environment without risking my computer or my data. These are the few features amongst many which I use. How does it help me? Copying data is just connecting my memory card via USB onto my NAS. Sharing data with client or my team is just right click and share folder. Searching data from any of my shoot from anywhere in the world is possible. Taking backups is automatically scheduled. This is hassle free and efficient. Synology recently introduced their new line of NAS with DS720 Plus and DS920 Plus, which I would say is a boon to a content creator. DS720 Plus is a 2-bay NAS and DS920 Plus is a 4-bay NAS. Powerful, scalable and ready to make you go virtual NAS. I will introduce more features and set up these machines for you so you know how easy and efficient they are in my next video. Till then, create amazing and save your data because data is priceless.